Paul, yes. I recognize that the prosecuting attorney's office has some authority to file criminal complaints against those that have allegedly committed crimes. But what I don't understand is why law enforcement doesn't have to be involved in a violent crime. Yes. Now, if you filed that criminal complaint in error, and you're going to continue to try me for the restoration laws of being restored because you don't actually have the authority to file a 2-count criminal complaint that involves violent crime of domestic violence, yes, I'm going to ask that you dismiss the fucking case right now. Now, I know the prosecuting attorney's office represents the state of Washington and the people of the state, but for over a year you violated my rights, and you never. Well, you can't have a violent crime 2-count criminal complaint without police or sheriffs investigating it. I was sitting right here on June 16th. You got videos from me, P. Budnick 21. So why doesn't somebody just admit the evidence that I didn't commit the crime, and then would you investigate to find out who it was that did commit the crime? Because as a father, this sectarian control of law enforcement, where you said, well, he's a homeless man, we don't have to enforce his rights, he's of a different caste of citizens. Yes. He's a different class of individuals where we don't have to enforce the rights of them because they can't afford their own attorney. Now, if I'm right about this, and I think I am, I think that you can only file criminal complaints for violent crimes after police or sheriff's departments believe the individual committed the violent crime. Now, you are innocent until proven guilty by a jury of your peers. So the same concept that happened in May of 2012, yes, where I was arrested, yes, taken to the police station. They questioned me, well, did you commit a crime? Yeah, I called Healthy Families Clallam County, but I wasn't trying to contact the petitioner. I was seeing. And the jury of my peers found me innocent because I really was not attempting to contact the petitioner. That means I wasn't trying to violate the protection order. Now, there is this thought that police departments, right, they investigate violent crimes, and violating a protection order would be a violent crime. And it could be that the prosecuting attorney's office in Jefferson County going to get the shit suit out of them for sure. And the public defender's office. Now, Jack, did you think about this violent crime that I'm allegedly guilty of? Yes. Well, you said I need to meet with your expert so that he can prescribe the correct dose of lithium products or electric shock treatment so that I can be restored to sanity for knowing where the fuck I was on June 16th of 2017. Now, it's just not the prosecuting attorney's side. The public defender has some liability in this too, don't they, Jack? You know, when you don't admit all of the evidence when motioning a court for a dismissal because of the double plea and the false plea, the sham plea, it could be that you have a technical error of judicial process that would enable you to file that right now. Now, I think that I am right, and I did realize a prosecuting attorney's office can file criminal complaints, but I think it's only for nonviolent crimes.